Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will each decline by 25 cents. It will cost $3.06 less for automotive diesel. Ultra low sulfur diesel will sell for $3.04 less, while kerosene will decline by 34 cents. $3.06 will be shaved from the cost of propane and butane. Disapproval from some Caribbean cement company investors. They're in disagreement with the resolution passed at the company's annual general meeting on Tuesday, which will see Carib Cement paying up to 4% of its revenues to parent company Cemex, Javon Keys reports.
At Tuesday's annual general meeting, 91% of Carib Cement shareholders who voted endorsed an annual payment by the company to majority shareholders Cemex. Starting next year, Cemex will be paid up to 4% of revenues for the use of trademarks, names, and intellectual property. These are articles owned by Cemex and licensed to Caribbean Cement. Like other minority shareholders, Mayberry Investments says the decision is unreasonable. Dan Theok is Senior Vice President of Investment Banking.
They control 79% of the business and are able to push through this, what could be up to an $800 million charge per year, in a manner that we think is not appropriate. It was not discussed. I don't know which business approves an $800 million expense without doing a proper cost-benefit analysis. And so, absent that information, it really feels to us as minority shareholders that the majority shareholder is simply forcing through something because it can and, unfairly extracting profits for itself. And if you factor in the expansion of the business, the present value of this, by our calculations, could be over 9 billion Jamaican dollars.
Mr. Theok says this could have negative implications for profitability at the cement manufacturer.
And therefore the taxes that it pays to the government of Jamaica, the profits that would be available otherwise to pay dividends, and Carib Cement has not paid dividends in 15 years. So I don't know what to expect in the coming months and years. We'll have to just observe the behavior and watch and see.
Caribbean Cement Company says it will finalize discussions with Cemex on the fees to be paid. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.58. $122.70 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $203.89 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $177.09. The JC Index lost 1,056 points today, while the junior market index gained 6 points. Among today's winners were Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, JMB Group 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Jetcon Corporation, Proven Investments US dollar shares, and the General Accident Insurance Company. While on the losing side, Cargo Handlers, Stationery and Office Supplies, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.